She already looks so good. Nothing to clean much, and I'm really happy for that. Okay. Alright guys, now I come back, and this one is already dried from the hydrogen peroxide. Is already dried up, and she look alright. So after they dried up, I already prepared the lava rock. This one guys, here. Already prepared the lava rock. This is the bit bigger, slightly way bigger than the other one, the normal one that originally came from the nursery shop. So this one I'm gonna use this. It doesn't matter, you can use this crystal one, the white one, and then it's really nice and transparent, or you can just use like that. It doesn't matter guys. So I can see the activity, and have to be careful what we're doing here, because she got really big long aerial roots, and kind of I really don't want to put this inside, so I may put this one. So we'll see the tricks what we do here. So first I'm gonna do this, and obviously we have to twisting them, twist. And I didn't get this one here. I just cut it for a while. Okay, I think it's not much anymore. Somehow my water bottle for the hydrogen peroxide, if I put it very tight, she didn't give me more spray thing. Of course I cut some of this here. It's okay. Okay, so we're gonna do the trick here for this inside roots. Do it slowly and gently, so we don't damage it much. Also, if you use the lava rock, they can be really tricky too, compared to the originally moss in the lava in the orchid bark. And this have to be twisted a little bit. Yeah, like that. Twisting it like this. It can be really tricky, especially they got long roots. But okay, just managed to put this inside very slowly but surely. I don't want to damage this. I hope I got long enough with this one. Okay, very gently twisting them. So it's kind of very well. This one inside, still pretty. Look at this long saw. I hope I did pick the right one. Okay. Just keep twisting until it's going in there. There you go. I think I'll just do this one here. Kind of twist. Okay. And I'll continue to give them more of this one here, guys. Do it slowly. Okay. I hope you see what I am doing here. Just gonna put side here. Okay, now it's better. And I'm gonna put this on here. There you go. Now she look balanced now. Slowly getting there. Don't worry. And I'm gonna keep continue doing this, guys. And after I finish this, for the final one, I'm gonna show it to you. I'm just gonna get this one. Okay, guys. After I did that, I'm just noticed this one is too small for me, and it's really too small for the plants as well. So what I did, I just find quickly the bigger pot like this. It's all good ventilation. So in it, I put the lava rock. See, as you can see in the bottom, and I would like to do that so it's nice and not too really a lot of things in the bottom. And also I'm gonna mix her. See, guys, you can see here she's really fit nicely here. All her things is fit, and that's what I want to her. See, kind of really get more space for all the growing bigger whatever she want to do, bigger roots that she's gonna do in the future. So I think it's really nice. This how many inches this one? I believe it's 8 inches this one, this pot, 8-inch pot. So there you go. And then in this lava rock, in it I'm gonna put this. I would like to put this add with this. So see, it's still work in my environment, because in summer, guys, it's hot here in summer, and we have a long summer here as well, like in Philippines, kababayan. So what I did, I put the lava rocks here, the bottom, and I would like to put the mix of perlite and a soaking wet, but not very wet, soaking this with the sea soil, and I put the perlite on this, and probably I put this together too. I mix it like I do it opposite way. I do it this one. I'll do this first. I would like to do this in the bottom. See, it's still nice and work here. Well, in the winter, I just have to give them some less water than I do it in the summer. So I did that, and I would like to put this one here now, so you retain moisture still there. Okay. So see, guys, she got more space than the other little one that like really she will be miserable again. And I don't want to do that to her, and gonna get again and again, and you're gonna repot it again for a few years or every year. So I'm not gonna do really like that. I'm not fancy doing it every year. So what I did, I do this gently but slowly, or you can even do like this. So it's helped them to really sit up properly. There you go, guys. Okay. Okay. Now she settled down her roots, and I like that. When you do rotating, it's really nice and helping these roots to go there. There you go. And this is broken. Let me think about it. These roots, the long roots, actually is broken, so I don't know if I leave it or not. It's kind of healthy roots though. But I noticed once they are broken, they won't be really growing good. So what I did is just rot in there, so may as well cut them. Oh well, can't help it, it's broken. So I have a really good roots. Never mind, it will grow back on me. So there you go, guys. Okay. So now it's more conveniently than it was. There you go. Yeah, that's what I'm talking, guys. So what I did, I put the moss there, and I put some bit of this bark to balance this one here. Like that. I like this bark too, because nice and chunky big. It's just really good for this. And let's see the balance here is. And I would like to put a bit more of the moss. Nice. I know the Vanda doesn't like a lot of wet, guys, so I will show you after I finish this how I'm gonna deal with this, how I'm gonna water this Vanda in the summertime and the winter time. I'm gonna show you how it works so you don't have a rotten Vanda. Alright, it will work. As long as you don't give him so much water in the winter, you will be fine. I could see that Vanda really having a lot of fun here with her new baby roots coming out. And more of this stuff here. Okay, cover some of these roots, and if this roots is coming out or growing activity the inside, you can see it because the pots is so beautiful. I know it will be quickly drier in the winter, summer I mean. That is why I put the moss here right now, because you don't want them to dry so much and you don't want them to wet either. This Vanda just worked fair enough, so put more of this. Okay, you really have to know your plants, you know, and also your environment. And on the top, guys, I would like to put more of this charcoal, mixed with charcoal and a beautiful chunky orchid bark mix. It's not too small, it's just enough for this one, which is beautiful. Very nice. Because if you put moss there on the top, I just noticed this in my personal experience. I noticed there is a lot of algae on it. It grow algae on the top because you don't want algae there on the top. So just put this one instead, or you can even put some nice fibo here. But I prefer this decoration fibo on the top. You can. Just not to attract the green algae, you know, because if you put the moss, it's all wet here and it attracts the green algae, so you don't want that. So there you go. Voila, I really just had enough with this chunky beautiful, this is, guys, that's all nice, a beautiful orchid bark mix. Voila, guys, I think she's finished, and I'm gonna stick her. Maybe I'll stick her if I can't find my stick. There you are. Here she is. I find my stick actually, but this stick, bamboo stick, is longer. Be careful not to get stuck, stick your roots there. So I'm gonna have a beautiful, either you can use these clips or you can use this. I think I prepared to use this. Just for the display, not too tight. There you go. There you go, guys. Our new Vanda's collection here. Isn't she lovely? There you go. She is awesome. It worked. Oh, I could use this one too, but this one gonna prepare this with the other stuff. Thank you so much guys for watching, and this is our Vanda now, and she look amazing, amazing. Oh, I show you guys how to get this watering in the winter time. In winter time, you have to give your Vanda only just this amount of water. Not very wet, but not very soaking, or not very dry either. It's just like this. But although just like that, although they're already wet, just like this, not really get it so wet. That's for the winter watering, like that. And in the summertime, it's just probably just once a week. Do that in the winter time. And in the winter time, on the summertime, of course, I would like to give my Vanda 2 times a day watering, because they need that, especially they are dried out. They don't like to get so bone dry. You will kill your Vanda if you do that. So there you go guys. So it will work. It will work as long as in the winter time. Because mostly of them, they don't like to get so much wet because it won't dry quickly. So you just have to give them some few water on them, and at the same time you give them some food as well. Only if they do like this flowering, in this like that. And then in the season time of growing, so of course you have to give them more water. That's the crucial time for their growing season. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching everybody, and I hope you have something lesson learned that I taught you for this one here now, and learning something from here for our Vanda. And I see you guys next time again. Hope you are happy gardening and happy watching, and see you all again next time. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Orchid lover again in Australia. Please do subscribe us, and click that bell button on the top, so you will be notified with our new video coming up in the future. Thank you so much guys. Once again, Orchid lover in Australia. Bye bye for now.